Hi guys, Taylor here. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to show you guys how to use the Naked Honey palette, which is super pretty, to do the easiest eyeshadow look ever. And I'm going to have you guys finish this look for me because I cannot look at these white eyelashes anymore, y'all. Look how pretty this is. I absolutely love it. All the colors are gorgeous. But I'm going to show you, if you are a mom or a student or super busy, how you can do a really impactful eyeshadow look with not a lot of time and literally like one eyeshadow color. Just to give you a little, pizzazz, a little pop to your everyday look. In the Honey palette, I'm going to take the color HBIC, which we all know what that stands for. I'm all about it. And I'm going to pick up with the brush that comes with the palette. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna apply it just to the outer corner of my eye. All right. And again, I'm just working that through the outer corner, kind of starting mid-lid and kind of bringing it to almost a point on my outer lash, getting it really up in that crease. Okay, so we see kind of where that placement is. I'm gonna go and do it on the other side. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna define it out a little bit. So I'm gonna take just a little, I think this is the Morphe concealer brush maybe. And I'm gonna take some concealer, just any concealer that you have will work. And I'm gonna get a good amount on my brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna take it from the inner corner of my eye and go to right where I kind of met, right where I started that line, okay? And then I'm gonna go back and blend it. Kind of looks like this. And then we're gonna take that same brush and I'm just gonna blend out that line a little bit so it's not so obvious. Okay, and that's it, y'all. Super simple eyeshadow look. It doesn't require a lot of time, but it'll still give you kind of an upscaled glam look. And the cool thing is you can do this with any single color. And then I'm gonna use the Essence Lash Princess mascara today in black. Okay, y'all, we are finished. So again, super simple, super pretty, gives you a little bit of drama without a lot of time.